In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple videos in Clipchamp easily and swiftly. Whether you're a budding YouTuber, a student with a project, or someone who just loves to create video content, learning how to efficiently manage multiple video clips can save you time and enhance your storytelling. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Clipchamp website. It's quite a user-friendly platform known for its robust video editing capabilities, which can handle both simple and complex video projects. If you haven't already signed up, you might see the sign in page. If you have an account, just go ahead and click on sign in. If you see different options to log in, opt to continue with Microsoft for a seamless experience if your account is linked there. Once you've logged in and reached the home page of Clipchamp, you should focus on creating a new project. You'll notice an option to create a new video. Go ahead and click on it and this will open up the editing dashboard. It's here you can begin your creative journey. Designing this part to be as straightforward as possible, Clipchamp ensures you don't get lost in numerous options, which is great for keeping the workflow smooth. Now that you have your project ready, the next logical step is to import your media files. You will find an import media button that facilitates bringing in your numerous video clips. Whether they are for a travel montage, a school project, or a corporate presentation, Clipchamp allows you to gather all those little pieces in one workspace. Once your videos are imported, it's time to get organized. You can simply drag and drop your videos into the timeline. This drag and drop interface is incredibly intuitive, enabling even beginners to arrange video clips in their desired order. This step is where your editing canvas comes to life, as you see all of your clips laid out ready for trimming, transitioning and enhancing. Remember, while dragging your clips to the timeline, consider your story's flow and how each clip transitions to the next. Clipchamp's interface allows you to see the timeline clearly and adjust your clips as needed, so take the time to ensure everything aligns with your narrative vision. And there you have it, you're now ready to edit, adjust and complete your video masterpiece using Clipchamp. I hope these simple instructions have empowered you to take full advantage of Clipchamp's capabilities, and I can't wait to see the amazing